The emergence of the CH drone marks a significant leap in Pakistan's UAV capabilities. With an endurance of over 30 hours and a combat radius exceeding 200 kilometers, the CH drone is a potent new tool in Pakistan's arsenal. This extended reach allows Pakistan to project power far beyond its borders, enhancing its surveillance and strike capabilities. The CH drone's versatility is notable, adaptable to diverse mission requirements. From high-resolution cameras for surveillance to precision-guided munitions for ground attack, it can seamlessly transition between roles. This adaptability makes it a valuable asset for both intelligence gathering and combat operations. The drone's advanced capabilities, combined with its domestic production, grant Pakistan a significant degree of strategic autonomy. It reduces reliance on foreign suppliers and enables greater control over the deployment and operation of this critical technology. The CH drone's endurance and sophisticated sensor suite make it ideal for persistent surveillance operations. It can loiter over areas of interest, providing real-time intelligence on enemy movements and activities. This capability is crucial for border security, monitoring infiltrations, smuggling, and other illicit activities. The high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors on board can detect and track targets with precision. Beyond traditional border monitoring, the CH drone's surveillance capabilities extend to maritime domain awareness. Its long range allows it to patrol vast stretches of water, monitoring shipping lanes, and identifying potential threats. The intelligence gathered enhances situational awareness and enables more informed responses to emerging threats. The CH drone's potential as a strike platform is equally noteworthy. It can be armed with precision-guided munitions, engaging targets with accuracy and minimizing collateral damage. This capability is valuable in counter-terrorism operations, targeting terrorist hideouts, training camps, and logistical hubs. In a conventional conflict, it can deliver precision strikes against enemy command centers, air defenses, and critical infrastructure. The CH drone's long range and high-altitude operation make it a challenging target for enemy air defenses. This survivability, combined with its precision strike capabilities, gives Pakistan a potent tool for achieving its objectives. In modern warfare, the electromagnetic spectrum is a critical domain of conflict. The CH drone, with its potential for carrying electronic warfare (EW) payloads, adds another layer to its capabilities. EW technologies disrupt, degrade, or deceive enemy communications, radar, and other electronic systems. By deploying EW systems, the CH drone can blind enemy sensors, jam communications, and create chaos on the battlefield. The CH drone's long endurance and high-altitude flight make it difficult to target, allowing it to conduct EW operations with relative impunity. This capability can significantly hamper an adversary's ability to coordinate its forces and maintain situational awareness. The emergence of the CH drone presents a significant challenge for India's security establishment. India is actively developing its counter-drone capabilities, creating a robust defense network to detect, track, and neutralize hostile drones. Technological solutions include electronic jammers, directed energy weapons, and interceptor drones. Electronic jammers disrupt the drone's command and control links, grounding it or causing it to malfunction. Directed energy weapons, such as lasers, offer a precise solution for neutralizing drones at close ranges. Interceptor drones are designed to physically engage and destroy hostile drones in flight. India is also exploring non-kinetic options like spoofing technology to confuse the drone's sensors or navigation systems. Enhancing the resilience of critical infrastructure against drone attacks is also a priority. The development and deployment of the CH drone by Pakistan underscore the growing significance of unmanned systems in modern warfare. Drones are rapidly proliferating, becoming increasingly sophisticated and playing an expanding role in military operations worldwide. This trend has profound implications for regional security, particularly in volatile regions like South Asia. The proliferation of drones democratizes access to advanced military capabilities, potentially altering the balance of power. Smaller nations can leverage drones to level the playing field, potentially leading to greater instability. The risk of miscalculation and escalation increases in an environment where multiple actors possess sophisticated drone capabilities. The international community needs to establish norms and regulations for the responsible development and use of drone technology.